Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Ionization energy drops as you go down the alkaline earth metals, and we need to find out why this happens. Let's solve this chemistry puzzle right now. As you move down a group on the periodic table, each new row adds a complete electron shell. This means the outermost electrons are physically located much further from the nucleus. According to Coulomb's law, the attractive force decreases significantly as distance increases. Therefore, it takes much less energy to remove that outer electron, making option C the only correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.